Imagine stumbling upon a cosmic enigma that challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. A distant galaxy encircled by colossal interlocking loops of radiant radio waves, each spanning an astonishing 300,000 light-years. That's right, these aren't just any rings. They're bizarre formations that have astronomers scratching their heads and sparking debates across the scientific community. But here's where it gets controversial. What if these structures reveal secrets about the universe that could upend our understanding of galactic evolution? Stick around, because this discovery might just be the key to unlocking mysteries we never knew existed. Astronomers are buzzing with excitement over this far-off galaxy, which is enveloped by two enormous crossing rings of radio light. To put that into perspective for beginners, radio light isn't visible to the naked eye. It's a form of electromagnetic radiation that radio telescopes can detect, much like how your radio picks up FM signals. Each of these rings measures about 300,000 light-years across, and a light-year, for those new to this, is the distance light travels in a year, roughly 5.88 trillion miles. That's a mind-boggling scale, especially when you consider these rings are nestled within an even larger radio cloud extending nearly 3 million light-years. This remarkable find was unearthed by dedicated volunteers participating in the Rad at Home Astronomy Collaboratory, a citizen science initiative based in Mumbai, India. And we're not exaggerating when we say it's dubbed an odd radio circle, or ORC for short, a term that perfectly captures its peculiar nature. These orcs were first spotted just 6 years ago, and their origins remain shrouded in mystery. Some scientists theorize they could be shockwaves rippling out from colossal events like black holes merging or entire galaxies colliding. For context, black holes are those ultra-dense regions in space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. And galaxy collisions are epic smash-ups that can reshape cosmic landscapes over billions of years. Most orcs dwarf our own Milky Way galaxy by 10 to 20 times, yet only a few have been identified so far, making each one a rare treasure. The latest orc, christened Rad J13 346.9 plus 50320, stands out as the most remote and potent one ever documented. It's so distant that the light we're seeing left it when the universe was merely half its current age of about 13.8 billion years. Think of it as a time capsule from the cosmos's youth. What elevates this discovery to extraordinary levels is its composition. 2 overlapping circles, a double ring setup that's been observed only once previously. This unique configuration adds layers to the intrigue, prompting questions about whether such patterns are common in the universe or freak occurrences. As Ananda Hota, the program's founder, put it in a recent statement, orcs are among the most bizarre and beautiful cosmic structures we've ever seen, and they may hold vital clues about how galaxies and black holes co-evolve hand in hand. It's a poetic way to describe how these phenomena might illustrate the intertwined fates of massive celestial bodies, where black holes influence galaxy growth and vice versa. Picture a composite image, a distant galaxy glowing in optical light, overlaid with this rare ORC in striking red hues, courtesy of the Rad at Home team. This marks the inaugural ORC discovered through citizen-assisted science and the first pinpointed using LOFAR, an extensive network of antennas across the Netherlands and other European nations. ORCs are exclusively detectable via radio telescopes, which scan for these invisible emissions that computers might overlook. The volunteers, armed with nothing but keen eyesight and curiosity, combed through deep space maps to spot anomalies that automated systems could miss, a testament to the power of human intuition in modern astronomy. Their findings, detailed in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society, highlight how collaborative efforts can lead to groundbreaking insights. And this is the part most people miss. The researchers propose that these rings could form from ferocious winds erupting from certain galaxies, hurling material far into space and molding it into these intricate shapes. To illustrate, imagine a galaxy acting like a cosmic fan, blowing out debris that curves and expands into rings, much like how a leaf blower creates patterns in fallen autumn leaves. An animation from the program vividly shows this rare double-ring ORC ballooning outward following a dramatic outburst in the central galaxy, bringing the process to life. Beyond this standout discovery, the team identified two additional examples that further illuminate the phenomenon. In RAD J122622.6 plus 640622, they observed a galaxy spanning nearly 3 million light-years, with one of its core jets abruptly curving to produce a ring of radio light roughly 100,000 light-years wide. Think of it as a galactic sprinkler system gone wild. The third, RAD J14004.0 plus 621715, features a galaxy stretching 1.4 million light-years, displaying a similar ring at the end of one jet, balanced by a slender jet on the opposite side of the host galaxy. These instances underscore how galaxies can sculpt their environments in unexpected ways, far beyond what we typically envision. Scientists emphasize that ORCs and similar radio rings aren't mere oddities. They're integral to a larger family of exotic plasma structures, influenced by black hole jets, galactic winds, and surrounding conditions. As co-author Pradek Dabad from Poland's National Center for Nuclear Research noted, ORCs and radio rings are not isolated curiosities. They are part of a broader family of exotic plasma structures shaped by black hole jets, winds, and their environments. This perspective invites us to view them as interconnected pieces of a grand cosmic puzzle. But here's the controversy that might divide opinions. While some hail these as evidence of black hole mergers or galactic collisions, others whisper about alternative explanations, like undiscovered forces or even extraterrestrial influences, though that's speculative. Could these rings be the universe's way of signaling something we haven't deciphered yet? What do you think? Are ORCs proof of violent cosmic upheavals, or might they hint at gentler, wind-driven processes? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree with the prevailing theories, or do you have a wild counterpoint to propose? Let's discuss and explore these cosmic wonders together.